Hi guys, and welcome to another Watch Geek video. It's been almost 3 years since I got one of my grails, the Jaeger-LeCoultre Reverso Duoface, so I thought I'd share my thoughts on it from a long-term owner's perspective. The watch is still with me, as you can tell, and despite this exact reference gaining about 35% in value compared to when I bought it, I do not plan on selling it ever. I never thought of it as an investment, and the purchase was not even remotely based on that, but I would lie if I didn't say the rise in value didn't make me happy. Like I said, I never plan on selling it, but still, the current value does give me a peace of mind, if you like, making me feel like I'm wearing it for free, as I know I can get my money back if things in life take a turn for the worse. Now let's get back to the watch itself. First, we'll cover the bad things. The first one is accuracy. It has degraded a bit, showing me it is probably time for a service, which I still haven't decided where to do. JLC asks about $800 for one, which is not cheap by any means, while my local watchmaker, who usually services my watches, is asking $200. I will probably go down that route, as I know he serviced Reversos in the past, and they're also one of his personal grails, so I know he not only knows what he is doing, but will also be very dedicated to doing it properly. Second is the highly polished steel. It looks beautiful, but does pick up hairline scratches quite easily, which means the Reverso would not be a good choice for an everyday watch. I believe in my hands, where even a Zelos hammerhead looks chewed up after a year, the watch would be ruined if I wore it as a go anywhere do anything type of a watch. Luckily in my collection, it is used for the weekends, for going out, and for special occasions, thus the scratches are kept at a minimum. This means I would never buy it as my one and only watch, but as a second or third watch in a collection, it is a great choice. And third, the butterfly clasp. Because of my small wrist, and because this is the first generation butterfly clasp from JLC, it is very long, with the long part not being centered under my wrist, but sitting more on the side, making for an uncomfortable wear, forcing me to switch to a regular tank buckle. Also, despite loving the ostrich strap it came on, I ordered a couple of custom-made crocodile straps for it, and once I switched to this one, the stock one has been sitting in the box, as I find this one to work with the watch even better. With all these flaws, do I still like the watch? Hell yes. I fell in love with the look of the Reverso from the first time I saw one, and after getting this and using it for a couple of years, I learned to appreciate the design even more. I still find it to be one of the most beautiful watches I have seen. It is one of only a few watches where the honeymoon phase never ended. It really is that good. One thing I did notice is that I wear it about 99% of the time on the silver side, with the dark face being flipped only when someone asks me about the watch. So despite the second face offering value in terms of both a different style and the GMT function for the price of one watch, I think I would have been okay with a regular Reverso as well. It still is a cool feature that wows people when they see it, so I'm okay with that. If the watch was thicker due to the second face, I might have regretted the purchase, but it is still perfectly slim and well proportioned, while the price difference was too small to pass on the opportunity to have an additional face even if I don't use it. The flipping action as well as the winding are still as solid and as smooth as the first day I got it, and it really shows this watch is built like a tank, which it should be given the sporty history of the model. This is one of only few watches that combines a beautiful, timeless design with iconic horological status and brand pedigree. To be honest, even if it had the looks only, I would have probably added it to my collection, as I'm simply in love with the design. But it is good to know that behind the good looks, there is real horological value. If you're thinking about getting one, just go for it. Trust me, in person it looks even better than on any of the videos or pictures you might see. And with the range consisting of many sizes and many styles, including the tribute lineup, you will surely also be able to find one that suits your taste. I personally still find my reference the best looking Duoface model so far. The one that followed after it was ruined in my opinion with the large side button and the round second subdial that kinda killed the perfect duality of the original that has everything squared at the front and rounded at the back. While the new Duoface, despite having an even better solution for the GMT function with the button hidden, has a less intricate face and is missing the Reverso inscription. So I'm happy with my reference the most, and it's definitely gonna be a keeper as it has been so far. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed and found it useful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and until the next video, bye.